Today, I thought I would show you some modern, sophisticated ways to style your entryway. You guys know I have been on the restoration hardware vibe. I am loving it. Not all things are for me, but there are some things that I do love about the look. One of those pieces being the torso statue. I showed you guys a video probably, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago now, of one of the things that I would really love to have in my home was that cracked torso statue. I first saw it on Sheryl channel. It is so modern, so sophisticated, and I really wanted to bring it into my home to just elevate it up a notch. So I was on the hunt at Home Goods and never saw it. I didn't think I would ever find it, so I started searching for it online. And lo and behold, guys, I found it. I found it on Wayfair, and I cannot wait to show you. So before we get to that, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. Now, I know why you're here. You want to see the statue. So let's get to it. All right, friends, so we're going to use this vase that I thrifted. I showed you that in a thrift haul. This was giving me serious restoration hardware vibes. The paint color was off, so I did paint it white, but I just love the texture. And I've added some olive branches, and we are going to set it here on the console table. And I love the way that looks. So we are going to add some books. These are my DIY coffee table books. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box below. I love those as well. And I think maybe I will add a candle. This is a candle I picked up from TJ Maxx. It's the DW Home Fresh Cut Gardenia. I absolutely love the way this smells. If you have not smelled this candle, you have to get it. I absolutely love it. And I'm just gonna turn it this way because I don't wanna see the label. You can always peel the label off. So I am liking this look as well. Okay, so this is how our entry table is looking. I have kept my lamp that I picked up from Target. It was $50. And these coffee table books are a DIY, like I said. The vase is thrifted. And you guys know I have been on the hunt for this guy for a while. I am on the restoration hardware vibe bandwagon train, whatever you want to call it, and I saw this in Sharika B's video and I was on the hunt for it ever since. I looked in Home Goods and could never find it, so I went searching for it on the web, and lo and behold, I found it on Wayfair. So it was a little more. I think she paid $60 for hers from Home Goods, and I picked this one up from Wayfair for $112, which I did not think was very bad at all. It is modern, it is sophisticated. It just brings into mind elegance, luxury, museum. I don't know, just an overall vibe. It's a vibe to me. I really love the way this looks in my entryway. I did not like the color when I got it, so of course I did paint it black, but I just think it's just modern and sophisticated. And I really like the way that looks. So If you are interested in getting one of these statues as well, I will leave the link for it down below in the description box. So this is one look, and let's show a second look, so keep watching. All right, so you guys saw this bowl. I thrifted this bowl. It was red, and I have painted it black. I did 2 coats of black, and I covered it all with some Mod Podge to seal it, and I am styling my DIY geodes that I picked up from Amazon in this bowl. I absolutely love the way this looks. I'm leaving my DIY coffee table books, and I put the candle on this side. And I love this look as well. It's just very simple. I really like it. And like I said, you can thrift for items that are restoration hardware inspired. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Like this bowl cost me like $2.99. And the geodes, if you did not see that video, these I picked up off Amazon. They are DIY, they're crack your own geodes, and you can find out what's inside, which I thought was really, really fun. So I ordered those from Amazon. They were $38. If you missed that video, I will also leave that linked in the description box down below, as well as in the iCards above. So you can go check that out and then go order your own DIY geodes. So I love this look as well, but now on to my third and final look. Alright guys, so here is my third look. I like it as well. I think maybe it's too much black with the black statue and the black vase. But yes, I did have to order the infamous Tom Ford book. I have seen it all over Instagram and YouTube, and I really wanted it, but I didn't want to pay the price. So I waited and I waited, and it went on sale for $88, and so I picked it up. So I really like it. It is a statement piece, a statement coffee table book. I think it looks well here on the entryway. And you guys, when I did my DIY geodes, I hit that first one a little too hard, and so it splintered more than I wanted. So I just decided to take those pieces and stick them in this little lucite box that I picked up from Hobby Lobby for $1.99. It was part of their 90% off clearance, and I just like the green geode glass on the top. So I thought putting the geode fragments in this little box would be perfect. And the sand keeps falling off, so I'll have to research on how to really properly clean those so that doesn't keep happening. But this is the third look. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Which look was your favorite? I would love to know. And if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet a iSTYLEMYSTYLE family member, I hope you hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So I will be having a lot more videos coming up, guys. The holidays are coming up, so my next videos will be fall related. So it's going to be modern fall, not your traditional colors. So if that is something you are interested in as well, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back to see those videos. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.